Good morning, Dr. Sonal Arora here. How to get started with fasting? TRE, time restricted eating, is the base of fasting. It is the foundation structure. It will be our holding pattern. We will need to come back to it during our holidays and festivals. So, it is a very, very important and crucial step. We must practice building on TRE. So, what is TRE? There are 24 hours in a day. A person will divide that day into a eating window and a fasting window. A fasting window can be of 12 hours and a eating window can be of 12 hours. A fasting window can be of 14 hours and a eating window with a eating window of 10 hours. A fasting window can be of 16 hours with a eating window of 8 hours. A fasting window can be of 18 hours also with a eating window of only 6 hours. For example, you can have a eating window from 9 am to 5 pm or from 10 am to 6 pm or from 8 am to 4 pm of 8, and then you will have a 16 hours fasting window. Similarly, you can have a eating window of 8 am to 2 pm only. So whatever is possible for you, you will decide for yourself. Whatever you want according to your daily routine, you can decide for yourself, and this is the advantage of fasting, that it is flexible. But what are the key points to be careful of? Many people think that if they are having an apple in the morning at 8 am, they are in their fasting window only. So this is a mistake. If a person is having a tea with sugar, then and they are saying that we are still fasting, then this is wrong. There are only specific things which are allowed in a fasting window, and we'll help you with that. And then you can have your eating window. But the concept should be clear that this is my fasting window, this is my eating window, and a tea or coffee with sugar will break your fast, fruits will break your fast. So one more important thing is, whenever you are in your eating window and you start eating, just eat at one place. Sit for 1 hour, at the max 1.5 hours, have your meals and just clean it off. And then whenever you are having your second meal or maybe third meal also, if you want to have a proper meal, sit at one place for 1.5 hours, 1 to 1.5 hours, and then just clean off your kitchen. There should be no snacking in between meals. So 3 meals a day at the max, and no snacking in between those 3 meals. Snacking is the cardinal sin of weight loss. So this is all for today. Bye for now.